Okay, so I got these Cajun shrimp skewers. I know they taste good. I've tried them before. I thought I would make my own little concoction here of ginger, garlic, salt, pepper, also olive oil, and now I'm going to do a little bit of lemon. A little bit of lemon. So the lemon will go over that. In case it squirts out, it goes onto the shrimp. And I always put the wedge in my mouth. It cleans your teeth. And pour it on top. Actually, I'm going to save a little bit of that for garlic bread right now. And then pop that in the oven. Did I already preheat it? Yes, I've been thinking ahead. It has lemon in it. I'm still going to make a piece of garlic bread because people do add zesty citrus to bread. And then pop that in the oven. Looks like I need to flip the shrimp. Bon appetit. Mm-hmm. All right, I hope you enjoy your Sunday afternoon.